In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Go High Level. Let's get started right inside your Go High Level account. Once you're logged in and you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the navigation menu. From that menu, you're going to click on the option labeled Sites. This is where Go High Level keeps everything related to pages, funnels, and of course, forms. Clicking Sites essentially takes you into the website and funnel tools area, which is the foundation for collecting leads and information from your visitors. After you're inside the Sites section, look for the Forms option. Go ahead and click on Forms. This will open the Form Builder area, where you can see any forms you've already created and manage or edit them if needed. If this is your first time here, the page might be empty, and that's completely fine. This is simply your workspace for creating new forms and organizing the ones you'll use across your funnels, websites, and campaigns. Now, to start building a brand new form, look for a button that says Create New. Click on that. This is a starting point for every form you'll build in Go High Level. When you click Create New, the platform will open up the Form Builder interface. Think of this as your blank canvas where you can design what information you want to collect from your leads or customers. Next, you're going to fill in the form itself. This means adding the fields you need, such as name, email, phone number, or any custom questions that are relevant to your business. You can drag and drop fields, rename them, and adjust settings like whether a field is required or optional. As you fill in the form, take a moment to think about the user experience. Try to keep it simple and only ask for the information you truly need, since shorter, clearer forms tend to convert better. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts that Go High Level provides. The platform will guide you through saving your form, naming it so you can easily find it later, and showing you options to embed it on a page or connect it to a funnel or workflow. Make sure you follow each prompt until you reach the confirmation that your form has been created. Once you've done that, your form is ready to use within your Go High Level account.